back to Carol's Sale Action Plan. Today I'm going to make buttermilk pork chops with sauteed plums. So the first thing we're going to do, oh, and I was thinking about this on my way home from work, like I can make this paleo and substitute coconut milk, I think, for the buttermilk. But I have buttermilk, so that's what I'm going to do. So I got some, I got thin slice boneless pork chops. And I'm going to throw them in a Ziplock bag here. A gallon bag is what you want. I wasn't sure if these were so good. They don't smell weird or anything, so I call it good. They're still kind of frozen a little bit. So, get these in the... I have my hands all pork goopy. No one got time for pork goop on their hands. And now, let's get some buttermilk from the store. Actually, we'll try this again, I think, and make it paleo and not just regular. That might be a fun experiment. So now I'm just gonna pour the buttermilk into this bag. I was going to put it all in because I'm not going to use this for anything else. I wish they sold smaller sizes of the buttermilk. That would be nice. Get out, buttermilk. This is fancy buttermilk, I think. So the recipe just calls for 1/2 cup, but like I said, I'm not going to use the buttermilk for anything else. I might as well go big or go home. So this is the bag of pork and the buttermilk in the Ziploc bag. I like the zipper top. The Ziploc bag is way better than... These make me feel like they're going to pop open on me, and that could be a disaster. So now it says to seal and massage the bag to coat. So massage your pork. And we'll let it sit for 15 minutes. And then while I'm doing that, I will go check the mail because I just got home from work. Alright, so our pork has been in for over 15 minutes. So what we're doing now is we're going to pat it dry with paper towels. I'm sorry my voice is going away. I had a heavy metal week last week. You know how that goes. So I'm going to pull these out and wipe them off. There's like 6 of them, so it's going to take me a minute. Other ingredients, what's going to happen next is I'm going to get more paper towels. I'm going to sprinkle some chipotle powder on it and some salt. So the recipe calls for just like a little bit of chipotle powder, half a teaspoon. What? Half a teaspoon for this many? That's not going to work. We're going to go for it. So right now I'm just kind of wiping off the excess buttermilk. I'm going to put them on this plate. This can be a messy recipe, and I'm kind of messy in the kitchen. I ain't messy like some of these beauty gurus are. I'm trying to catch up on my wrestling, WWF wrestling programs. So you will go through some paper towels with this. And you can use regular towels, you know, you gotta do what you want to do. But these need to be kind of wiped off. It's about 15 minutes with the buttermilk. I think I got everyone out of there. So I can move this to the side. She's gonna be dumped. Get out, kitty. So last week I had a great time with my friends. They're in a band called The Accused. I've known them like 27 years. That's how old I am. So right now I'm just going to sprinkle the chipotle powder onto the cutlet. I do it liberally. I'm actually going to flip them over. Holy crap, that's a lot. It's going to be smoky, yo. So the buttermilk can be messy. Do a little salt. And so they called for safflower oil. So put some in the pan and start cooking it. I don't always work with measurements that well. Probably why I'm not a good baker. Just kind of go with it. And then what happens now, so I got my coconut, I use coconut flour right here, so I'm going to just sort of go like that and cover it all up. And these are pretty thin cutlets, so this has about 4 minutes each side, which I don't know if that's the case or not. I haven't made this in a while. But Mark loves this dish, so I'm just going to make it because he's my favorite. And so drop these in here like this. These are going to be spicy. So it looks like I got 3, so I'll probably be doing 3 at a time.
I sense a great anger from within security. I can help you. I can guide you to spirituality.
All right, clean dishes. Who doesn't love that?
Tell me what you see.
They're not clean.
What do you see? To see you.
Also, this recipe calls for chives, but my chives, I didn't make this soon enough. I got excited about my trip and shirked my duties. So anyways, Wednesday, I went to Spokane with my friends, and they opened for Lamb of God and Napalm Death. I don't know if any of my viewers are into that kind of music, but I am.
You are in great pain now.
I'll come back when everything's done cooking. So just gauge it. This says about 4 minutes each side. I'll probably do like 3. I don't want to overcook the pork because that's not as good. I'll be back. Alright, now I'm going to take the last cutlets off of here. The smoke alarm went off, so that was fun. Had a good time there. Now we are going to, this is 3 black plums sliced thinly that goes in the pan. And then also, it says a tablespoon of fresh lime juice, but I just have this bottle thing. Then we add honey. Couldn't make me use this cheap honey. Alright. That one doesn't want to work with me. So we're sauteing the plums with honey and lime juice. The recipe does call for chives. The fresh chives I got they died. I have some dried ones, freeze dried that you can keep in the fridge. So put this in here on here. Just a little bit. And you're just gonna saute this about 3 minutes so the plums get soft. So I got this recipe out of Clean Eating magazine. I'll post it in the description box. It'll be awesome. Turn the heat off so it'll catch the house on fire. I'll show you what I got at the end. Can you guys see it? I can't even get this right. I'm going to pick it up. And this is what we have. It doesn't look beautiful, but it's delicious. I hope you guys try it. It's pretty easy. Have an awesome day. I will see you soon.